Hey friends. Are you ready? Are you ready? 3, 2, 1. Let's make salad. Before you watch, let's match. Chop. Olive oil. Spices. Coriander. Now. Check your answer. Olive oil. Spices. Coriander. Chop. First. I go shopping. Second. I wash the vegetables very well. Then. I chop the vegetables. I like to add coriander. Then. I add my favorite spices. Also, I add olive oil. Lastly, I mix everything together. My salad is ready. Put the words in the correct sentences.
1. My favorite are black pepper and salt. 2. Has green leaves and smells very nice. 3. Jane likes to cook with because it's healthy. 4. You have to the carrot into small pieces.